Welcome to Advik's Playhouse. Today we will play with Blick's Marble Run game. There are total 170 plus pieces available in this game. We will be installing them and then playing with the amazing marble game. Let's quickly open it and start assembling so that we can start playing. Here we have two different packets in which all the different pieces are available. We will assemble them and then play with the game. Here we have the instructions book, with the help of which we will be able to assemble it quickly and easily. We have all the components out of the box. Let's start with the first packet. Let's open it. Now the second packet. These are the marbles, and this is a motor that will help our marbles move. Our marble game is ready to play. Let's take a look around and then start playing. These are our marbles. Let's put them on the slides and start playing. After putting them, we will start the motor which will help the marbles to move around. Let's switch on the motor. The marbles are moving very fast with the help of the motor. I'm enjoying playing and watching this game very much. Subscribe Advik's Playhouse. We'll meet you in the next video with a new game. Till then, bye-bye. Happy learning and happy playing.